Well, I'm at the Opal Caravan Park, and I think if you're coming into Lightning Ridge, this would have to be, I think, probably the best caravan park. There's a lot of room here. Can probably carry several hundred caravans, and the amenities in this place is a second to none that I've come across in any caravan park. They'd have to be as good as any motel that I've stayed at. This is where I was camped last night. I had the RV3 tent out rather than the iCamper, about to have breakfast. And last night, Lightning Ridge lived up to its reputation. There was a storm last night and lightning, thunder. I was told I slept through the whole lot. So this is me set up here. Good morning.
Hi.
Well, thank you. So yeah, the tent held up, no problem. So I've got power to the tent too from here. So this is my site. Yeah, I've been very happy here for 4 nights. So what do I have for breakfast when I'm normally on the road? Well, normally I have cereal, that's Weet-Bix, usually Weet-Bix with a banana, and I make myself a cup of coffee with the Campmaster, and that's breakfast. I'm told that the John Murray Art Gallery is worth having a look at, so that's where I am today, and this is what we're coming into, but there's no photographs or videos allowed, so I'm only taking it from the outside. Well, if you come to Lightning Ridge, I'd have to say John Murray Art Gallery is definitely on your bucket list, because the artwork in there is quite amazing. I've seen various art galleries, but this one, John Murray seems to really have captured the spirit of the outback, and in some ways quite comical. So his captions are quite good. Well, I'm on the Yellow Car Door Drive Yourself tour, and I've stopped at the first one, which is the big Opal, and you can't really come down to Lightning Ridge, I suppose, without at least going down a mine. So I'm going to go down this mine, and cost is $20, so I think that's fair enough. Well, we're come inside the shop part of the big Opal, and this is what it looks like. Down here we have a mine shaft. Don't drop anything down, it says. No, don't intend to. Right, so this is actually a working mine, still in operation.
3 months a year.
I've donned my hat and I'm ready to have a look down this mine.
Right, when you get to the bottom, turn right, and you go under the shop to the ladder, which you saw in the shop, I assume.
Yes.
On there. That was a lift for 20 years before Health and Safety said that I don't have the right piece of paper.
Okay.
Now, past that, there's no light, so you need a torch, is where I'm mining.
Right.
So
Okay.
back to here, the opposite way, is a bed used in a film called Goddess of 67 with Rose Byrne. She and her partner came up to see their grandfather that lived where the bed is.
Right.
However, no one lives underground because of moisture, except in films, because you get pneumonia.
Right.
So halfway back from the bed to here, on the right, a log offcuts on the floor from the props, and there's a prop there and there's Opal both sides of it. You'd need the torch again to have a look at that.
Right.
Back to here, straight ahead, is where I take the dirt out. 80 wheelbarrow loads is 80 bucket loads is 8 tonnes, and 2 people should do that in 4.5 hours. Then have lunch and wash their dirt in the afternoon for another 4.5 hours.
Wow. Well, we're in shaft 3. Or tunnel 3, I should say. few ones branching off to different sides. This must be where they were working. Another one here off to the side. There's quite a few tunnels back there. Okay, so this is not a support prop above the post and left rear. Seam opal can be white, grey or black. What makes it valuable are the colours on the front side, i.e. red, orange, green, purple, and the weight and pattern. Knobby opal or nodules account for 80%, seam opal 20% of what is found in the Lightning Ridge area. So use a jackhammer. I wonder if that's opal up there. You can see all the holes from the jackhammer. They wouldn't blast, of course, in something like this. It looks like could be something up there. Been drilling in here as well. Obviously another big shaft up there coming down. Must be different people who own these. They've got names on them. It goes quite a way in this one.
That's what I'm saying. You see,
Maybe it is, but it's no color.
huh?
Maybe it is, but it's the one with no color.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Have you seen any opals?
No,
Yeah.
I don't know. This is the crystal or opal.
This one up here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
You see, has it glassy
Yes,
here as well.
yes.
But it's just no color in it.
No
so
colour,
it's,
no.
yeah.
I think
But it
they
is the opal.
probably polish it up before you get the colour.
See,
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yes, yeah. No, I think he's working in here. Obviously, that's a little bit of a gate there.
Yeah.
We're not allowed in there or something. So maybe that's where all the opals are.
yeah, otherwise.
Yeah, it looks like that's where he's working. But it is good to come into an actual working mine. Where they're doing some work. It makes up these little trucks. It's lovely. His workshop. Well, that was worthwhile. Very good. Well, we're at Lunatic Hill, open cut. All visitors welcome. So this is Lunatic Hill as I spin around here. You know, I got a good vibe from Lightning Ridge. It's a nice place. Different, but it's kind of a very friendly place. So, have you found anything yet?
Just little specks.
Little specks? Still, some of those little specks that I saw in the shops were quite expensive. Oh, that looks like one there, doesn't it?
You sound like the Opal police.
No colour.
I'm not.
No colour in it.
I wouldn't have a clue what I was looking for. Sometimes it's... Oh, you open it up and there might be something in there.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
You go around on those malachite and you look, and if there's something shiny,
Yeah.
well, if you like, you're looking for green, yellow, blue, red.
Okay.
You're really lucky. If you see something flash red at you,
That's good.
come over here, tell us exactly.
Tell you
where
what it is and tell you,
Yeah,
okay.
and then we'll go and pick
If
it up
I
for
find something red, I'll give it to you.
you. I don't think you will. You'll
Okay.
be fine if you do.
Oh, is that right? Okay. Right, so... Oh, I gotta love this, haven't you? Shake, rattle and roll. So just having a little walk around. You've got to love Lightning Ridge, so quirky. It is a quirky place. And wait till I show you the Red Door Drive. That's quite good too. We might go and have a chat to this guy over here, see how he's going. Oh, there's a few people having a scrounge around, just a couple. This looks like a mine shaft down here. Yep. There you go. It's stopping people going down there. You wouldn't want to fall down there. Looks like another mine shaft here. So at the moment there's a few people that are here. They're just from a gem club and they're doing a little bit of fossicking, see what they can find. Looks like another shaft down here. Yeah, nice way of filling in a few hours, and you never know, you might strike it lucky. So the red opals are the ones to look for. Lots of shafts, more people, probably from the same club, having a good look around. Fossick here for $3 a person. You leave in the jar, in dirt piles. Ah, and his name is Brian. 3 Mile Opals. It's got a good name.